What's up, universe? It's MG Flores and welcome back to another vlog. So once again, for those who do not know me, I am MG Flores. I make lifestyle videos, travel videos, and just anything that I can think of filming under the sun. So, di na to maglangay pa, agay. I had to go shopping. Abi pa lang dito mag-shopping. Because for the information of everybody, I will be going to Baguio soon. And then I realized na wa ko'y masuot. I have nothing to wear. Shopping. Of course, I went shopping. Sheila's ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay na sila itong ma-afford niya, guys, no? Pero di mag-all because bahalag pobre basta hilas. I'm gonna show you the things I bought, mostly pants, and then I found jackets and all. I'm just gonna pair it with the existing tops I have here. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it to you and kamo na bahala kung mag-judge ba mo. Judgmental na ba kayo mo?
Kanino mali ang ato ipastorya diri. Ipakita na po ninyo. I-judge ang gigihapunta ninyo.
Anyway, let's go! Of course, I have to wear like this because para dali ra ang pagsukod-sukod, guys, no? Alright, so I guess this top right here could fit anything. So let's just see, and if it doesn't fit, then who cares? So I have here the first one. This is only 60 pesos. Everything is 60 pesos. So I have this high-waisted pants. It's like a jogger pants. I have these shoes that from Shein. There you go. Wow! I like this. Maklaro ang color. Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna wear everything here sa Baguio, ha? Dili, no? So, pilian na ako ni siya which one would fit or not. This is one of the best picks. This jacket right here. This is 60 pesos. Wala yung winter dito, guys. Pero ako gipalit kay Chada din siya. No? Is this Baguio? Baguio. Oh, look at that. Chore. Uy, matanong ko. I still don't know what top will I pair this with, but yeah, it's good. Para ko mga bayo. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Subscribe, enjoy. MG Flores with love. Uy! Kung dinhita mo, bisa po.
Yeah. Next one is this black high-waist pants still. It's not that fit, but I like this one. I've had enough with skinny jeans. I think this is good if I pair this with a white top. I'm gonna go get my white top. There you go. I'm using my nipple tape and this is the nipple tape that I'm using. Just gonna put the link on the description box. Now I'm gonna use the shoes. I got this from Fila. Sa Pinterest. Have you seen pictures in Pinterest like this one? Iced coffee pa yung iba. Sample iced coffee siya. Pag ganito pa yung feet nila. Yung maginani ko sa Baguio. Di ka tapanhuto na ni. Mag-jacket. Di ko kamahay ani ay. Mabudid siya. Like it. Like it. May tag, oh. Sure. Charot lang. Alright, let's move on to the next outfit. Gamoy. I have here another trousers. Or you know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna try wear this one with sandals. I need a belt. Yeah. Okay lang. It's cool. It's good. Yeah. Next. Woo! I actually bought this one too. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this one with this. I'm really bad with colors. Yeah. Nothing much, but it's okay. It's elegant. I can use this for work. Back. Let's proceed. Oh, this is the last. So, this is one of the best buys today. Just look at that. Look at that. Huh? I got this for 60 pesos only. What'd you say? Ooh, char lang. I thought this would not fit me, but I was wrong because it's super fit. Fit. Now I think I'm gonna change the top. I don't know if this fits well, but it's okay. It's okay. Hi, goodbye. Look.
Bye.
This. How about this? I don't know if the shoe fits. Tell me. Okay lang, white shoes.
Yeah.
No, I mean the pair.
Okay.
Sure? I'm still using the nipple tape. I suggest you get one too. Paro G, paro G, paro G, paro G, lower paro G, paro G. Okay. Yeah. This one's cool. This one's nice. Ooh. Next, but not least. So, okay, dilitan ako siya paliton because it's very big. See? Luwag ko siya. Ding. Oh, pero rin siya puto po. Alright. Alright. So I'm wearing the white top again because I feel like this fits better. Put on a red belt. No, I'm not a fashion guru or anything, people, alright? These are all just my feelings. I feel like, I feel like, oh, I look good at this. So these are all just my feelings. Well, look at that. It is alright. I think I'm gonna do some adjustments with this one. Yeah. Ooh, we're here in Baguio. Let's wear the jacket. Oh, there. It's cold already. Oh, it's not cold already? Alright, let's go. Where do we eat? Let's go. Yeah, so, ano lang. Yeah, ito lang yung mga nabili ko. These are all the things that I bought there. Sure, princess ka, girl. So, yun. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. So, these are just all of the clothes, pants mostly. These are just of the pants, trousers that I bought there at Sheila's Ukay-ukay. This is not sponsored by Sheila, but bakit naman? Do you have any thoughts about that one? Like, which one will I pair with which one? Yeah, comment down below, people. Thank you so much all for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button for you to be updated with videos like this. Thank you all so much, and I will see you soon in my next vlogs. Mwah! You know the drill!